Hello lovelies, it's nice to have you here. If it's your first time here, please do consider subscribing. And for my return subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you for always tuning in. Today I'll show you how to sweeten your baby food without sugar. And you start by making your food, either puree, porridge or pap. Whichever thing you're giving your child, the first step is to make the food. In a different bowl, go ahead and mash a finger of banana, or you can alternatively blend smooth. It might interest you to know that you can increase the shelf life of your already ripe bananas up to 5 days to 1 week without the fridge, and also this method will prevent it from browning. Click on the link above to learn how. Mashing the banana, go ahead and add the quantity of food you want inside the banana puree, or you can alternatively scoop the quantity of bananas you need into the food. Then add some baby milk to boost the nutrient content of the meal. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Then serve. For the second method, go ahead and scoop the quantity of food you want to feed your baby with. Add some date syrup. Just in case you want to learn how you can make your own date syrup at home, go ahead and click on the link above. Add some baby milk to boost the nutrient content of the food and mix until everything is well incorporated. Just in case you're yet to hit on that red subscribe button down there, please endeavor to do so. Turn on your bell icon so you don't get to miss any of my videos, and you'll be glad you joined the family.